Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to install a Golang and run a Hello World program. So let's search for download Go, and from here need to select this link and click, and then you can say click on this link, and here you need to click on this option. It will start downloading. When it's done, click on your downloaded file and click on follow the instruction, install. Okay, click finish. Now let's check is it installed or not. Check it's installed. You will write go.version. Now you are able to check it's installed. Okay, let's write a Go program, Hello World program. For that, first you need to write a package main, and after that you need to import a package. FMT stand for formatting, and func main, and curly braces body of the main function, and here you will type fmt dot print hello world. Okay, save this. Now you can say let's save this on a desktop, and here we can say hello world dot go. Now let's run this. To run, go to your desktop, and here you will write go run hello go. It will take some time. Now you are able to see the output. Thanks for your time, guys.